little bump. I bet you never would have learned that trick anywhere else. Hi, hello, and welcome to Ricky's Driving School. Today we have Nick on the show. Nick,
hello.
We're gonna teach him some more standard driving. We're all about safety here. So Nick, I'd like to present you with these
Thank you
driving
very much,
glasses.
sir. Oh.
All right, Nick. First, we'll start with a walk around of the vehicle. Just check things out.
Yeah.
Your tires, yep.
Definitely in good repair here.
Check your mirrors, make sure they're all good. Kick more tires. That feels a little low, but it'll be good enough for this. Keep looking around. Yeah, headlights, nice. Woo. Well, let's fire it up. Let's get Nick driving.
So, I guess we get on in here. So first thing I always do when I'm driving a car, driving gloves on.
Driving gloves, that's right.
Driving gloves on.
To start the vehicle, you need foot on the clutch and foot pinned on the gas, as hard as it goes.
All right.
That's it, you're started. Well, Nick, the best way to learn is we'll just throw you to the wolves and you try and drive. And because we're such a high-end driving school, we can have a car sunroof. Oh, where's the buttons for this thing? Pop rope.
There we go. Oops, hit the road.
Good start. The best way to change a gear is to slam it in firm. The less clutch you use, the more clutch life you'll have. I think we should practice our first gear starts. So hit the brakes as hard as they'll go on. Hard as they can. Just like that. Yeah, this will work too. Don't forget your handbrake, Nick. I think you may have left it on.
It ain't my first rodeo.
For how good? Good job. Just keep going straight, that's fine. Yeah, you sure are doing good though. The gears are getting slammed in nice and hard.
Oh, well.
I think you barely touched the clutch once this trip, hey? When you drive front wheel drive, Nick, you gotta make sure you bounce over the bumps real hard. Hard left. Feeling good?
Yeah, it's real nice.
Nice little bump. Here's just a classic first gear start, just a clutch dump. Easy.
And now we're stuck again. Well, a certain kind of toast anyway.
Ooh. I think our exhaust is dragging on the ground. It's now part of the... Well, Nick, it's time to do the mid-lesson driving inspection.
Absolutely.
So we'll get out of the car.
Yeah. Well, you know.
I guess that's what that sound was. Let's open the hood and let's give it a quick cool down.
Yeah. There. piecing to it. There we go.
Let her go. So one of the tricks you learn here at Ricky's driving school is use the resources.
No idea.
And cool things down. I bet you never would have learned that trick anywhere else.
No, never. Nice.
That should be good for now. That'll cool it off good. Not the, whatever that was called.
Yeah.
Inspection is done. Now you can get back in the driver's seat.
Yeah, okay.
We can keep going.
Back on in. Before we go, get the lumbar support cranked up here.
That might be the most important thing at driving school, is the driver's got to be comfortable. Here, this.
I think, did it start? Is it started? Yes, yeah, okay, cool.
See, Nick, that's something that our school teaches that no one else does. We like to keep you on your toes. Sometimes we'll shift a gear for you.
Literally.
Sometimes we'll grab the steering wheel and crank it around a little bit. It's all just to make you a better driver. That's all we're trying to do. So Nick, one thing you gotta learn, every gear change, 2 feet on the clutch. Okay, close your eyes, clutch in, let her out. So Nick, what gear was that?
Oh, I think that was gear 5.
Close.
There we go, we got gear. Come on! Got to be kidding me.
You remember the cardinal rule of driving standard, Nick?
There we go.
Stall her out.
Good stuff.
That was a good lesson, Nick. A good start.
Yeah.
You're well
I
underway
feel
to
well learned.
mastering the manual transmission.
Gonna get a degree in it.
Well, that's another satisfying customer from Ricky's driving school. Nick, thanks for being on the show. Thanks for coming on. Learn standard good. Good clutch smell.
Yep.
It's been a good day. Maybe next time we'll get you learning how to park
Oh yeah.
for lesson 2.
Can't wait.